This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Spacious 3-story townhouse in Ghent. 3 BRs, each west/a full bath and walk-in closet. First level consists of beautiful hardwood floors, open floor plan, a sunroom/office, opens to private patio, kitchen west/stainless steel appliances and a half bath. Second floor has spacious primary suite west/new large walk-in shower, jetted tub, balcony, vaulted ceilings and LRG-sized walk-in closet. Second bedroom is an ensuite west/walk-in closet. The third level boasts a third bedroom ensuite and walk-in closet suitable to be used as an in-law suite. This home is part of the Ghent Square HOA community, which includes access to a lap swimming pool, pickleball/tennis courts and playground within walking distance. Places within walking distance are a major grocery store, Harris Teeter, Barkley Gardens, neighborhood dog park, downtown Norfolk, bike paths and the YMCA. HOA dues $77 per month. Attached 2-car garage adds 430 square feet west.